Quick trading212.com review as per request by one of my viewers. Apparently this is an older system, been around since 2006. Some people are saying it's like legitimate, and then some people are, thinking it's kind of sketchy. So that's what we're going to look into. Is it a legitimate way to trade using a registered broker, or is it, a scam like some people think? That's what we're going to get into in just a moment. If this is your very first time on this channel, make sure you find the subscribe button. Also click on the bell notification icon. That way you won't miss out on any important info. On this channel, what I usually do as per request by my viewers is I review income opportunity systems, platforms, and even training products. If it's make money online that you're after or steer yourself away from a potential scam, this information can serve you. Also, at any time throughout watching this video, if you're looking for a way to create either active or passive income online for yourself, you could check out my #1 recommendation underneath this video. First link in the description box below. And for those of you who are promoting affiliate marketing offers or business opportunities online, get highly converting tier 1 traffic to your link. Second link underneath this video. Okay, so let's get into it. The website is www.trading212.com. Let's go and look at domain registration. Privately registered May 28, 2006, older domain. So it's been around for quite a while, and they use GoDaddy. Website traffic to trading212.com. Lots of traffic. Towards the end of July 31st, it was 1 million, just over 1 million visitors. 1 million views and 63 visitors is what it seems to be. Primary source of traffic: #1 United Kingdom, #2 Czech Republic, #3 Portugal, #4 Germany, #5 Netherlands. Let's go and see who these guys are. About us: your trusted broker is a fintech company that democratizes, what a big word, democratizes the financial markets with free, smart, and easy-use apps enabling anyone to trade stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and more. And they seem to be ranking high on Trustpilot. You got to be careful with Trustpilot. It can be manipulated. I'm not saying it has in this case. Our mobile app has more than 15 million downloads, which makes it one of the most popular trading apps in the world. Since 2016, Trading212's app has been the UK's #1 trading app. So this seems to be very big in the UK. And in 2017, it reached the #1 spot in Germany. So I think it sounds like they have a good track record with people, downloading and using their apps. They have a team of people, which is a nice, refreshing surprise, because most of the things people usually ask me to review are horrible scams with, fake made-up identities. It appears to have, like real people, etc. The CEO is Mukid. I don't know if I pronounced his first name right, but Mukid Chowdhury. Okay. And George Mantillas is the COO. Russell Piper, Chief Risk Officer. Gary Dixon, Independent Non-Executive Director. The founders are up here: Ivan Ashmanov and Borislav Nidalikov. Okay, I probably butchered your names. Okay, but those are the main founders. Commission-free investing for everyone. Buy stocks instantly, your favorite company. See how to invest. Get your shares in seconds. Building wealth is a habit. Invest as little as, what is that, €1? Bear with me for a sec. I got all these different currencies in my head. Yeah, it's a euro. Okay. Earn daily interest on your portfolio. So they have different ways that you guys can earn and even trade with this platform. There's a whole bunch of different links to go through. If you guys want to check it out, I'm not an affiliate here. I believe they do have an affiliate program where that people can invite other people to use the platform. Someone just asked me to check this out, and that's what I'm doing here today. So that's a domain trading. Trading212.com. I'm not endorsing the platform. I'm not saying it's legit. I'm not saying it's a scam. It doesn't seem to be a scam, right? I'm not a financial advisor. I just do reviews on this channel, and so far it's not looking too bad. Is what I'm seeing here. On Reddit, there's an old thread I found. Some guy's asking one other person. This is 2 years ago. He's talking about trading 212. Been using it for a long time. Claims it's fine. People forget they use IBKR backend. Okay, I'm not going to go through all that stuff, but one person says it's okay, so you need to sell stocks and buy. No, on the platform. Coming back to this, they say they are now adding option to transfer. You no longer need to sell. Yeah, saw that. It's a regulated broker. On top of that, they are profitable, unlike most fintechs that still burn money. For me, they're safe. That's 2 years ago. We'll go and look at their registration in just a moment. Apparently, they're registered with the FCA. Here's someone commented a year ago, on February 15th. Trading 212 started offering portfolio transfers, meaning you can transfer your stocks or ETFs to another broker in case you decide to do so. No fees charged to transfer from your account after requesting. The whole process should be completed no longer than 30 calendar days. Is this a fact? I'm tempted to use them, and it's huge. You guys make sure you check out their fees if you decide to use them. So no one's saying it's a scam or anything like that. I mean, that's what we're looking for. We want to make sure that it's not. But still, it's a learning curve for anyone who wants to become an investor or trader. It's going to be a learning curve. Most people are not looking for a learning curve. Most people who are looking for, investing and trading online, usually they're looking for a Ponzi scheme. They could just click a button, fund an account, sit back, and don't have to do anything. Okay, but in truth, if you find something legit or semi-legit, then you're going to have to go through a learning curve. So I'm not saying anything negative here. Let's go and look at their Trustpilot reviews. 4.6 excellent reviews. Very easy to set up and understand. I mean, this is not a good review. You need to, like how I informed I am, interest earned. I don't know what kind of review this is. It looks like someone who just got started and was asked to do a review. And they're like excited. Informative, that doesn't mean anything. I dislike the fact you kept asking for a third-party certificate of the origin of money when it was all inside European banking network. I don't know what the hell that means. Then they have a whole bunch of new reviews here. Solid. Couldn't be happier. Easy to use. Blah, blah, blah. Let's go look at the 1-star ratings. 10 hours ago, it says no. Why do we have to do reviews? I don't know if this company 212 Trading is asking them to do reviews. Maybe. Other person, Peter, said, I'm tired of being bombarded with messages every few days telling me how much interest I have. Another person, Anne from Great Britain, she says, this is the third day I've tried to log in using various forms of ID. Okay, so they have a strict process and someone doesn't like it. Interest rate keeps falling. They're saying they're linked to the Bank of England's base rate, and if that changes, it changes. Amrit in Great Britain says absolute jokers, took my money in a stocks and ISA account and then blocked me. Okay. They seem to have some negative reviews within the last day or so. So I would go out there and do your own due diligence and research. Make sure, they have 6% 1-star and 79% 5-star reviews. So let me get to a quick conclusion and verdict. At the end of the day, it's going to be up to you guys. It doesn't look like a scam. Most of the stuff that people ask me to review are usually scams. This one seems to be... Well, they're registered with the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK. Let's go and look at the registration and then we'll close off. Oh, here we go. FCA, Financial Conduct Authority, for those of you who are investing and trading, etc., or investing into systems and they're promising you returns on your investment, right? If they are in the UK, they must register with the Financial Conduct Authority. These guys seem to be. When you click on that link, it goes up here. And you guys got to read through this. So it says that they are registered, but some activities by this firm may not be protected. Okay, I don't want to go through all of that stuff. It's your job to do these things, but it seems to be not a clone. It seems to be the actual guys with trading212.com. Okay. So, conclusion, it looks like not a scam. However, I'm still not endorsing it. At the end of the day, it's up to you. You'd have to go and, I would say, invest no more than you're willing to lose and go through the learning curve. And especially go through their fees, etc. Learn about their fees and any other terms of service that you would need to look into before using that 212 broker. Okay. So, doesn't look like a scam. But at the end of the day, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who reviews stuff. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick Trading 212 review. If you are looking for a way to create either active or passive income online for yourself, you could check out my #1 recommendation underneath this video. First link in the description box below. If you need traffic, second link. I will see you on the next one. Take care.